July 1995. Start. Friends, I am glad to be here in the midst of the representatives of farmers coming from all over the country. When I was requested to inaugurate this session of the Farmers Forum, I agreed to it with pleasure. As we all know, the farmer is the backbone of our country, and as far as I can see, he will continue to be so in the future as well. In my opinion, there are two reasons for this. One is that farmers are the most important of our producers. The other is that they form a major part of our population. There is no doubt that the work of the farmer is very important. We must realize that the whole country has to depend on him for so many things. First and foremost, we require food. This is provided by the Kisan. Then we need clothing, and the raw material for this is also provided by the farmer. Again, as I have said, farmers are so numerous that their welfare means the welfare of a large section of the population. As a matter of fact, rural development in our country means improvement in the condition of the farmers. In short, the farmer is the measure of success of any welfare work undertaken in the countryside. I am glad that in addition to the farmers, representatives of allied trades which have to deal with them in their day-to-day life are also present here. The nature of work of Kisans in this country is such that they have to stay in the villages. But on such occasions, they are able to meet other people outside the villages. So, such occasions should be of value not only for them but also for others. At this time, when important development plans are being implemented, this kind of conduct will be very useful. So, I welcome this convention. In addition to other things, I believe there is one thing which must be brought home to the Kisans in some way or other. There are some people who think that our tillers of the soil do not easily give up their old ways, and that it is very difficult to introduce new ideas and practices among them. In fact, I am sure that there is no basis for this. To some extent, it is true that our farmers do not accept anything unless they realize that it will be useful. At the same time, it is also a fact that once they come to have faith in a new method, they accept it without question. It is essential that along with agriculture, attention should be paid to the welfare of cattle. Also on home agricultural operations depend. There are many things which we get from the cattle. The most important among them is manure. So unless we take care of agriculture and cattle, we shall not be able to solve our food problem. I hope the Farmers Forum will do its best for this. Letter from James and Company, Madras, to Mrs. Govindan and Company, Madurai. Dear sirs, We are obliged to you for your letter. As desired, we enclose a price list of the articles that we sell for your information. In this connection, we may tell you that we shall be prompt in our dealings. As soon as we receive orders, we shall give personal attention to the matter and send the goods ordered as early as possible. If the goods sent are not in good condition, we shall be pleased to send our representative to look into the matter and do whatever is necessary. We are sorry to note from your letter that some goods which were not ordered by you were mixed with the goods sent to you. You may kindly send them back to us as soon as possible. We shall take steps to see that such things do not occur in future. Our business relations have shown that you are satisfied with our dealings. We shall be glad if you acquaint other dealers in your locality also with the quality of the goods supplied by us, so that we may be able to improve our business. Yours faithfully, Staff.